Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable accessibility keyboard on your MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The accessibility keyboard is an on-screen keyboard that lets you use your Mac without a physical keyboard. It provides advanced typing such as typing suggestion and navigation feature that you can customize to make it easy to use your favorite apps. So how to enable it? You can just open your system preferences and go to accessibility. From accessibility, you can scroll down and click on keyboard. And on the navigation section, you'll find there is an option like hardware and viewer. You can just click on the viewer. Now you see there is an option enable accessibility keyboard. You can just click checklist on that, and the accessibility keyboard will be appear on your Mac screen like this, and you can use it. You can type. When you use the accessibility keyboard, you can also turn on dwell, which lets you perform most action using A or head tracking technology. So that is how to enable accessibility keyboard on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.